Campers, today is 2-Mod Tuesday. I'm going to be installing a digital voltmeter so that I can monitor system voltage all the time. I'm also going to be adding a small LED side lit bolt to illuminate my starter button anytime I turn the ignition on. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a small dash light that will light up the starter button at night. Second part is I'll install the dash light for my starter button. This is going to fit perfectly right in between this rib and the starter button. So the first thing I'm going to do is drill the mounting hole. The dash in my Can-Am is all a rubberized plastic. So to make this fit the way I want, I cut a little notch off of this rib. I took one of the back nuts that holds the LED bolt in and put it on a 1/4-inch drill bit, lined everything up, drilled a 1/4-inch pilot hole. Then I drilled a 5/16 final hole. Now it's time to mount the light. To avoid splicing wires and crimping and shrinking, what I'm using is piggyback spade lug terminals. I will have 3 connected to the positive. One of those is a wire going to a relay I use for another accessory. And then I have the LED dash light and my meter hooked into the same lug. And then the last will be 12 volts coming in to power the cigarette lighter. I'll do the same thing on the ground side. The spade lugs that I'm using are the ones that came with my digital voltmeter. If you only do the LED, then you'll need to find a small spade lug that will work for just your LED. In combination with my new LED light for my starter button, I've wired the voltmeter to the back of the cigarette lighter plug. This gives me voltage only when the ignition is on. LED is installed and wired to the back of the cigarette lighter plug in conjunction with my voltmeter. That finishes 2-Mod Tuesday. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.